St. Joan of Arc Church underwent a transformative renovation to celebrate its centennial, designed to renew the parish's spiritual life. The 5-color epoxy terrazzo design incorporates a neutral field color accented by a wave pattern, religious crest, altar stairs, and a baptismal font. NTMA judges praised the intentionality of these understated details, which elevate the space and complement the elegant, contemporary interior design. Winding terrazzo bands up the central aisle toward the sanctuary are decorative and symbolic, reflecting the Christian journey and Christ's dual nature. Golden steps mark the transition from the nave to the sanctuary, symbolizing ascendance. The original altar and stairs were constructed on wood joists and plywood with tile. After the tile was removed, the 150-foot-long terrazzo stairs were cast in place and hand-ground for precision. The terrazzo application for the baptismal font began with ceramic tile, which was scratched, primed, and waterproofed before the terrazzo was cast in phases and the edges aligned. The strip layout was carefully planned in the seating area as pews were removed and reinstalled along the new divider strip pattern. This project gave seasoned artisans the opportunity to pass on their skills to a new generation. Congratulations to Amici Terrazzo of Elk Grove Village, Illinois, for their exceptional work on this inspiring project at St. Joan of Arc Church in Lisle, Illinois.